Hey everybody, it's your friend Jenna with Uncomplicated Kitchen, and in this video, we're gonna make some crispy roasted chickpeas. Today we're using 2 cans of garbanzo beans, and you can go up to probably 4 cans on like a standard sheet pan size. What you wanna make sure is not to overcrowd the pan. And I like to lay them out on some paper towels so they can really dry. Another thing that you can do is also take another bit of paper towel and you can rub them around to get all that moisture off, because wet food can never become crispy food. So you might notice that there are little kind of white skins that have come off of some of those beans. Go ahead and remove them so they don't burn in the cooking process, and that's just what I'm doing now. I have got some homemade garlic olive oil here. Check out that video if you want to know how to make it. And I'm just gonna drizzle this right over the top. Great. Now we're gonna add some seasoning. You need a little bit of salt, but mostly you wanna focus on salt-free things that give a lot of flavor. Because I'm doing kind of a Mediterranean thing, I'm gonna do some oregano. I'm gonna do a little bit of white pepper as well. I like it because it's really finely ground too. This white pepper is awesome. And then because there's never enough garlic for me, I'm doing some granulated garlic. And now finally, our salt. I always use coarse kosher salt, but you can use any salt you like. So ideally, you would have about 2 teaspoons of non-salt seasoning. So again, that would be like my garlic and the oregano and the pepper. And then you would do about a ½ teaspoon of salt. So just keep in mind that the recipe that you'll be able to see is for a single can of garbanzo beans, but because I want a lot more than that, I'm doubling it. These are in a single layer, and I'm gonna get them into an oven. I'm using convection oven, so we're gonna do 375 Fahrenheit, but if you're using standard without convect, you wanna go up to 400 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and set a timer for a ½ hour. And start. We've got about 10 minutes left on these garbanzo beans, and I just can't resist. I'm gonna check them and see if they need a little shimmy, make sure they're cooking evenly. Here we go. Yeah, these are looking awesome. That's the sound of crispy food right there. Going back in. We did 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and check these before we shut the oven off. Oh yeah, perfect. These are no doubt gonna be done. So we're just gonna put these up here to cool for a bit. Who doesn't want a bowl of these? They are fantastic, versatile, snack on them, treat them as croutons, put them on the top of a soup, kind of whatever you wanna do with them. Mostly just enjoy them. Until next time, bye.